Okay, we got 5 apartments we're going to be checking out today. These are all in Taipa of Macau. So let's get started. Let's check them out. Let's get right into this. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha, chiquinha. Okay, first thing I want to say is apartments are a lot lower priced with COVID right now. So I was kind of checking them all out. This is one of them right here, and this one has a pretty nice kitchen, as you can see. Pretty unusual for Macau. Has a nice balcony as well. Let me see. Washing machine usually goes outside like that. Usually the kitchens are not that big, so to see something like this is quite surprising. And nice hardwood floor in there too. There's one of the rooms. Okay. That's the view to outside. It looks like there's a small little balcony. A lot of good views everywhere in Taipa. Everything's very horizontal, basically. Nice kitchen table. 6 chairs. That's unusual. So I think this is, I'm not sure how many bedrooms this is. I think it's 2 or 3. We'll see. You can maybe tell me down below. Yeah, maybe just out of just the way to get the channel moving a little bit, maybe just tell me which one you like the best. There's 5 apartments, and just tell me yeah, I like number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Okay, let's kind of head into here. So there's a bathroom there. That's a pretty nice sink. You don't really see good sinks like that very often. Those are some of the bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms. Bathroom right there. There's one of the bedrooms. Pretty good view as well. That corner window is kind of amazing. So anyways, this is apartment number 1, and you kind of get a taste for it anyways. I had noticed that a lot of the apartments I looked at, they usually will have beds and slightly furnished, and you rent it out for, usually the contracts are 2-year contracts. 1 year is fixed, and then the second one they might add something like 5 or 7% increase for the second year. Okay, so that's going to be apartment number 1. Nice couch there too. All right, coming back into the main room, I guess. Okay, number 2. So that was a 3-bedroom. This one is probably going to be a 3-bedroom as well. Let's see. Oh, so this one, that's the outside part right there. And that's pretty common, like that. Oh, there's a nice window in the kitchen. Okay, actually that kitchen is a little bit bigger than a lot of space for the kitchen. Nice window too right there. And this one also has a balcony. So yeah, there's a lot of them kind of come semi-furnished with beds and TV and yeah, there you go. Some basic furniture, which is nice. This one has some pretty good cabinet space in this apartment. So this is number 2. Let me know if you like number 1 or 2 better. Or you can wait until you can see all 5. There's that corner view. So this one has a corner view, so you can see both sides. Yeah. Okay. Nice countertop there. Bathroom is not too bad either. Yeah, you'll see some similarities. A lot of them will have the furniture for the cabinets and dressers. This one that's called the R Residence. It's right up against Taipa Grande Hill, I think. And back into the living room. We're back out on the balcony. One more view right from that spot, and you got that giant greenery. Little temple in the corner there. You can move some of these. It's good for the typhoons or different things that happen. Okay, so that's going to be apartment number 2. This one also has nice hardwood floors as well. That kitchen's kind of cool, that window for sure. Looks like that wasn't quite cleaned up before viewing, but that's all right. Okay, let's check out number 3. So number 3 is pretty nice. This one is near Jockey Club in Taipa of Macau. and you can overlook the jockey racetrack right there and kind of a main road, and there's also a train station right there too, which is quite unusual. Okay, the bathroom looks like a little bit dark. There's the lights. Nice bathroom. Looks real nice. This bedroom kind of has, like, in Japan they kind of have these tatami mat rooms, and it kind of reminds me of that, but you can store stuff in those in that and then throw a mattress on top of it, which is kind of interesting. This one had one of the nicest kitchens. Oh, that's a little pantry, which is also nice, and then a pretty large kitchen, which is quite unusual. So if you like kitchens, you're probably going to choose number 3. Yeah, 3 is pretty impressive for kitchen-wise. Got lots of cabinet space. I think all of them that we've seen has some pretty good cabinet space, anyways. That's outside. Bathroom. So yeah, this is a nice chandelier. Woohoo! Yeah. So that's apartment number 3. Now time for apartment number 4. This one, apartment 5 is going to be really interesting. 4 is also interesting too, but 5 is going to be kind of mind-blowingly interesting. So here's 4. Got a table behind the couch. Again, a lot of them come with couches. Nice countertop in the kitchen there. Ooh, nice view from out the window as well. Yeah, actually, this one is kind of interesting because I'm going to put the camera out the window and you'll see what I mean by that in a second. So we're going to step out into the balcony and then look at this. That is interesting because you can see all the people back there. They have little slices of that rooftop, and that's like a 3rd floor rooftop, which would kind of tie into number 5. So we're still checking it out. Nice bathroom. Nice bedroom. There we go. There's that view again right there. So that rooftop is all sliced into little pieces. It's kind of interesting. So yeah, this is also a 3-bedroom as well. There's that interesting rooftop again. It's all spliced up. So cool looking. That's what's going to bring me to number 5. So I'm going to look at something that's in that kind of area, like that kind of rooftop one. So I don't know. You might like this one, and number 5 is probably the most interesting one. So the first 4 are all. That's a nice kitchen, isn't it? So the first 4 are all 3 bedrooms. This is going to be the 2-bedroom, but this is going to have a really amazing little balcony. And we're going to start right outside. So like from the other video, you can look down and see some of this stuff. And in this video, we're going to be like this is all part of somebody's front yard, I guess you call it. So you can put whatever you want out there. So when I saw that, I was like, it's like, wow, that's really amazing. There's some neighbors, they kind of have theirs all set up, right? And then this property would end. That would all be split up into other people's properties, but this particular one is right there. And I think like one of the things I noticed out here is that like anything that falls from above, clothing, cigarette butts, whatever people flick out their windows will be in your property. So there's some little bit of trash like that. But still, it's kind of interesting to have a spot like that too, though. So I don't know what to think about it. But this one kind of felt like you'd have to be, yeah. Actually, there's a kind of grime on that drops down from the other air conditioning. You'd have to clean all that regularly. The apartment is a little bit like smaller than the other 2. That's the kitchen. I don't know. Pretty small kitchen. Kind of feels like had like a musty kind of. So the inside wasn't as great as the outside, and the outside would basically take some good money just to fix it up and make it look real nice and look real cool. But basically you have this main room right here, and then you have 2 bedrooms to the side, and one of them is on the corner right here that would overlook into that spot. And then this bedroom is equally small, but actually you'd walk right out into that balcony as well here. So you'd probably be living more of a life outside. I didn't really like this. There was a big like oil spill looking thing, air conditioning stuff, like right in front of the door. I guess you'd have to put a lot of work into like building stuff so that it could block all the garbage that falls down like that. But then I don't know, like you'd have to have some drainage, I guess. I don't know. It's a little bit beyond what I can do. But it was also kind of interesting too because it created a lot of shade. Oops, those credits came up by me quick. Anyways, that's the end. So yeah, let me know which one you liked. 1, 2, 3, or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5.